Alright, so I'm admittedly a fan of the AW11 chassis, the early MR2, and this might be the nicest one I've ever seen in my life. It's got Volk Racing wheels on it, TE-37s. It's a supercharged car, so factory supercharged. It's got the T-tops, the cloth interior. It's got the gauge so you know it's supercharged. Look at that stance with those wheels. Then you've got the intercooler for the supercharger back here. Lots of little supporting mods. Factory badge. This is seriously nice. Those wheels and that stance just make this car so gorgeous. Look at that. Like I said, I think it's the nicest one I've ever seen in my life. Cloth. Oh, the cloth is so good. Just perfect. What a lovely little car. I'm pretty sure I've never seen an MR2 of this generation sitting on Volks. Details matter, and this car is set up great. Thanks for watching.